I'm going to briefly describe how to use an interactive simulation that shows two types of ternary phase diagrams. The simulation is located at this link, and the components are labeled for application of liquid-liquid extraction. So labeled solute, solvent, and carrier. And we can either use a right triangle or equilateral triangle. They convey the same information in slightly different form. So let's look at this interactive simulation. So the simulation allows us to select right or equilateral triangle. Same information. The corners correspond to pure materials. We can add grid lines if we like, make it easier to read off values. And then this shows the extract phase, the raffinate phase. If the black dot, which we can move with the mouse, has two phases in equilibrium determined by these tie lines. And clicking this just removes the labels from the various axes. And similar equilateral triangle can show the two phases in equilibrium. These are mass fractions. Certainly could also use mole fractions. If we remove the phase envelope, then this is the case of a completely miscible system. Again, the idea is being able to read off the values for the compositions of the three components to make it easier to use these triangular phase diagrams, in particular for liquid extraction.